I'm going to give you another quick example of finding the equation of a piecewise function, in this case g of x. I'm not going to be focusing on finding the equations of each individual part. So if you're having issues with finding the equation of a line, go back, look at previous videos, or get on YouTube and search finding the equation of a line given 2 points. I'm going to instead focus on the whole idea of the piecewise. So in this example, I have 3 sections of the piecewise function. I have this section in purple, and keep in mind it goes infinitely to the left. I have this section in red here in the middle, and it has an open circle at one end and a closed circle at the other. Then I skip a portion of the graph and I go over to this part, and it goes infinitely to the right. So I'm going to write those 3 individual sections as equations. So using the 2 ordered pairs given, I'll find that this section is y equal 1/2 negative 1/2 x plus 2. I'll find that this middle section, since all y values are 3, just y equal 3 is its equation. And then this part on the left, I will find in purple is y equal 1x plus 6. That's using the slope given the 2 ordered pairs and then finding the y-intercept. Okay. The bad thing is you're not able to always find the y-intercepts on these easily, so you have to actually go through and solve. Okay, either using point slope form or function form. The next thing I would do then is I'm ready to write the actual function. So I have g of x equals, and I have 3 sections, so I'm going to write enough for 1, 2, 3 parts. Okay, the purple section, I have g of x equals 1x plus 6, or just x plus 6. The red section I have g of x equals 3, and the blue section I have g of x equals negative 1/2 x plus 2. Now, it can't equal all 3 of those at the same time, so then we put restrictions on those. So I'm going to say when, in this case, my domain of this purple section is everything up to and including negative 1. So I'm going to say when, I'm going to write this as an inequality, x is less than or equal to negative 1. The red section is everything from negative 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4, but not including negative 1, but including 4. And then the last section is y equal negative 1/2 x plus 2 from, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all the way to infinity. So when x is greater than or equal to 6. And that is the equation of the piecewise function. If I ask you for its domain, my domain would be all real numbers. We're going to include negative 1, we're going to go all the way up to 3, we're going to stop at 3, and then we're going to, or excuse me, all the way up to 6, we're going to stop at 6, and then go from 8 to infinity. So if I wanted to write my domain, I could say it is from negative infinity to 1, 2, 3, 4, and then from 6 to infinity. And that's it.